Hi, I'm Rashmi Bhandari. I'm the Dean Placements of Sahyadri, and today I'm going to talk something on a very important topic which is often neglected, and that is the pre-placement talk. Now, every company before it visits sends a mail to the college saying that this is the day it comes, it will be coming, and then they start off the campus recruitment with the PPT or the pre-placement talk. Now, for any student to crack the campus, what they have to do is, once they get a mail of confirmation, they have to check the company website to check out when was it started, who's the founder, what products is it making, what's the job description, where are the locations, how many employees, and everything that they can lay their hands on. Because this information will help them understand whether they want to join the company and also prepare questions well in advance for the PPT. Now, on the day of the campus, you have to reach a little early because usually during a drive, the crowd could be anywhere between 200 to 500. So you'll have the initial process of registration. So try to finish that early and reach the venue, that is the auditorium, early so that you get the front row. And why is it important to sit in the front is because this is not like a general class. This is a competition amongst so many candidates. So if you're in the front, first of all, the slides that are going to be shown by the presenter is going to be more visible to you, because at the back sometimes the font could be a little small and you may miss out on something. And the second very important point is you will get the mic to ask the question. Many a times when the crowd is very big, the mic does not reach there, and so students will miss out on that, to ask a question, because this is a point to make this is a place where you can make your presence felt. Another thing which students should keep in mind is they think that the process actually starts with the aptitude, because that's where I'm going to be gauged. But actually, when during the PPT itself, the recruitment starts, because they will see as to how the students are and how are they interacting, and they always come with a panel. So there are people to observe who's the one who's asking questions and how what sort of questions were asked. So this also definitely helps them to gauge the audience and also to gauge you. So sit in the front, and when they're doing the presentation, try to make notes of things that are not there, which you did not know, and so that which you feel is important, because this will help you later. And because what happens is, once you finish this, you will go for the interview, and during the interview they definitely ask us questions as to why do you want to join us, or tell me what do you know about our company. And this is a good time to tell them what you have written down, because it shows that you have paid extra attention and made down notes, and give them back what they have told. Another thing is, what they tell you during the PPT is not what is there in the website. So all this will definitely help you. And the second thing is, when they ask for questions, please be one of the first few to raise your hands high. Many times people raise it like this and it's not visible. So raise it right high and high like this, and then when the mic comes to you, introduce yourself, say I'm so and so from so and so college, and then ask the question. And so prepare at least some 3 to 4 very good questions. And why? Because sometimes the question that you wanted to ask could be asked by somebody else, and so you cannot ask the same thing. Another thing is, maybe that question is already being answered during the presentation, so you again can't ask. So ask a question which is really good, which will make you stand out, and which the recruiters will make a mental note of. So with these tips, I will be signing off, and I hope to see you again. Wishing you all the very best.